Business game changer of Cebu is SRP and had been attracting locators. Hurry, before its commercial lots will all be sold out. To profit, take advantage of this pre-selling price. Investors made huge profit when Cebu Business Park and Cebu IT Park were once on a pre-selling price. CC leaks to SM Seaside Mall and to SRP's commercial lots. This is your last chance to be part of the new Cebu City at South Road Properties. Choose the best location of your prime commercial lots while still available. Contact Douglas F. Pañares, 63915-842-6920. dogpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.